here with Miles Isert, one of our Baha Med patients who had a successful story with a hip replacement. We're going to ask you a couple of questions, Miles.
Okay.
Can you tell us what your overall feelings are about having your procedure with Baha Med?
Awesome experience from the caregivers. From the moment I was picked up in my car at the border, the hospital, over to the recovery center, the attention we've received couldn't be better.
Great. Can you tell me a little about any barriers you may have had with your doctors or the team?
No barriers whatsoever. Incredibly personable attention.
Even when there's the language barrier, they would always get someone that could translate or speak English to help me know what was going on. It was excellent.
Perfect. Can you comment a little about your time leading toward your surgery? Was the communication adequate?
Yes, the communication was real good. By email, conference phone call, and just an open line. Any questions at all, we had an absolute open line to the doctors and the staff. Couldn't have been better.
Were your questions answered thoroughly before and after surgery?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me about your feelings regarding safety and security since you arrived in Tijuana?
This is a nice area. I've walked around lots while he's napping, and I feel safe in this area. Yeah, it's been very good.
Okay.
And same with the building here.
What do you feel are the advantages of having your procedure in Tijuana?
The personal service has been amazing.
Okay.
Far superior service. Absolute loving, caring attention, and an open line, and the how we step through things, not hung up for months at a time on issues. Just absolutely step through the procedure, one to another, and here I am ready to go home.
What is your opinion of the health care provided with Baha Med compared to your country?
Same as last question, uncomparable. The attention, our 3 minutes of glory with our therapist in Alberta. A doctor here has become a friend, not just a doctor. It absolutely could not have been better.
Okay. What are your comments about the hospital in which you had your procedure?
Hospital was real good. From check-in, our room, again, just the no red tape approach. Pam stayed actually literally in my room to watch me overnight, although they checked on me every few hours. It just is so simple to operate like this versus the red tape we're up against in Canada. That's why I'm here.
Can you comment about your experience as a whole with Baha Med and like from the moment you arrived up to this point, just in general, can you comment about your experience?
Yes, as scared as can be. Due for a hip replacement, obviously. And I've traveled Mexico, so it wasn't that at all, but nevertheless, a different country. And from the moment I was picked up at the border, delivered to the hospital, and the first time they took blood from me, it's just absolutely went smooth, no complaints at all.
And would you feel comfortable recommending our practice to family and friends?
Yes, definitely.
Absolutely. I would say don't waste your time. Just come and see these folks, they'll look after you.
The nice thing is you don't have to wait, you know, another 2 months for an appointment and another 2 months for a specialist and another 6 months down the road, and who knows when you're going to get your surgery. And everything we asked about, it just all happened. It was a good experience.
There's no wondering. My doctor come every day, and when he's so busy he can't come, one day he couldn't come, he phoned me at 10 o'clock at night to make sure I was okay. can't get much better than that. Every day he checked on me personally at my bed.
Anything you'd like to add? That was.
If I ever need any more procedures, I'll be back as quick as I can get down here. Yeah.
Alrighty, well, Pam, Miles, thank you for your time, and we're glad you had a good experience.
That was great.
It was great.
Thank
and
you.
Adriana, you done a great job too. Thank you.
Thank you.